If you want to know the contents or available things inside the box, I already posted the unboxing video. The link is in description box or else in the card section. In this video, I'm going to sharing my humble and unbiased review of the Red Gaming budget headphones. I used these headphones mainly focusing on gaming first priority and then least priority for video editing, for audio calls and some video calls too. I'm going to detailedly share each and everything of these headphones in this video. So watch this video till the very end so that you never miss anything about these headphones. Let's start. Before going into the actual video, if you are seeing my face for the very first time, my name is Rajashekar Reddy and this channel is all about the technology related videos which include unboxings, reviews and sometimes tech talk videos too. I'm a video editor and part-time YouTuber. If you want to surprise me with the subscribers count, then hit the subscribe button and follow for more videos. Okay, first I'll start with the pros. What are the good things I noticed in this Red Gaming headphones? Of course, I'll start with the pricing only because the price is the first thing I purchased with these headphones. These comes under 700 Indian rupees during the offer times. But when it comes to the MRP on the box, it is mentioned as 1799 Indian rupees. But it never priced at 1799 rupees in India. See, most of the users want the budget headphones. When they are scrolling on any online platform, they will see these headphones because the looks are pretty good in these headphones and they click the buy and waste their money. I'll say that the price is one of the tempting in these headphones. The second thing I liked in these headphones is the design. These headphones are overall made up of with plastic built, but the quality they use with the plastic is really amazing. These are made up of with plastic all over the ear cups and a metal on the head area. Also, they given the elastic type headband below the metal curve. With this, you don't need to adjust the headphones each and every time when you are wearing. I think the design department pretty good. Number 3 is lights. See, in this price range, you won't find any of the headphones which contains the RGB lighting. This one is having RGB lights, but you cannot customize it. That's second thing. But the RGB lights are overall satisfied, and even during the unboxing video also, I said that I never expected the RGB lighting in these headphones. In single sentence, I would like to say the RGB lighting is overall good in these headphones. And next thing is the cable length. These headphones comes with 2-meter long cable length. You can actually use these headphones when you are standing or moving. Wait, did I say moving? No, actually you cannot use these headphones while moving. And these headphones comes with 50mm audio drivers. And the sound experience of these headphones in a single word is okay. And final thing I noticed it good in these headphones. Guys, still the review is there. I'm going to dealing what are the bad things next. Now the pros version is going on. When it comes to the audio and controls, the audio quality I want to say in one word is these are okay but not up to the limit. When it comes to the controls, we're having a small round dial on the left side ear cups where you can actually increase or decrease the volume only. Apart from this, nothing. That's all. These are the good things I noticed in this one. Now let's move to the darker side. What are the bad things I noticed in this one? I think when it comes to the ratio wise, this one is having pretty bad specs all over it. Of course, I don't recommend these headphones, but if in case you are interested, yeah, you can continue the video. The first thing I didn't like in these headphones is the connection. See guys, anyone who are going to buy any type of headphones or earphones or maybe TWS earphones also, they wanted the full range of connectivity. I mean, the full range of connectivity means you can either use for your laptop or any Android mobile or any Apple device or maybe tablets, anything like that. But when it comes to these headphones only supported for your laptops only, and that too if your laptop is having two 3.5 headphone jack and one USB port. Even you can use it for Mac if in case you are having plenty of ports. Not only this, you need to connect 3 cables at a time to use these headphones perfectly. One is USB cable, which is for powering of these headphones. Yes, these headphones will work only with the help of power coming from your laptop only. Remaining 2 were having 3.5mm cables. One is for audio and number 2 is for microphone. And also guys, I'm going to share some of the the mic quality audio samples too in this video. These are some issues, but the main problem is some laptops doesn't have any 3.5 headphone jack. Luckily myself, I'm great, I think. MSI laptop which is having 3.5 headphone jack. One is like separated for audio and another one for microphone, the mic. By the the help of that only I reviewed these headphones. Yeah, connection is one of the biggest drawback in this headphone. And second one is the bad microphone. I'm not telling like the microphone is inbuilt, but this one is having separate microphone to the headphones. That is why I'm complaining about the microphone quality. When it comes to the performance wise, see, I don't want to tell, just I'll share some audio samples for you, just listen it and you are the only judge whether it is good or not. And also guys, the audio samples you are going to listen are unedited. Please make a note on that.
Actually, the microphone is close enough to my mouth. This is how the audio quality here like.
The mic is almost close to my mouth, but it's not picking this sound. See, the mic is not at all good in these headphones. Not only these two major issues I noticed in these headphones guys, but there are many more. No proper air circulation. After wearing these headphones for 10 to 15 minutes, my ears are getting warmer. On that time I need to remove the headphones from my ears and cool down the ears, like the cooling of the PC through liquid or any fans. Like that I need to cool my ears to use the headphones for prolonged period of time. And also when it comes to the lighting wise also, you cannot customize the lighting of these headphones whichever color you like. Yes, technically it's having RGB colors, but the RGB colors will shift automatically. And next thing is it works only with the help of power supply. And also do note that you need 3 cable support in your laptop, otherwise cannot. And final thing I really found very bad is the wire quality is not at all good. Even though it is having lengthy cable, but the wire quality is not okay. So finally, whether I recommend you to buy these headphones under 799 rupees, or if in case you are planning to buy these headphones or watching this video, I mean the review video part, means guys, please don't buy these headphones. These are not at all worth for 799 rupees. We're having plenty of different options available in under 799, under even just under 1000 rupees also we're having plenty of options. If in case you wanted any of my recommendations when it comes to the headphones under 1000 rupees category, feel free to check the link. The link is in description box. And also I'm not all giving the link of this product in the description box because I'm not all recommending, but I'll give the unboxing video. If you found the unboxing video, maybe you will get the link. Yeah, that's the video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.